Hello everyone. Today I am going to introduce the new and old concept together that is known as a flash fill. Let's see how this flash fill work like. Everybody knows like if flash fill how it works like. So why I am again introducing the new feature called as a flash fill versus find and replace. Guys, for example, you have a name called as Paridhi Tiwari. Out of that, you want to extract the first name. So how you are going to do it? Definitely you are going to the features that is known as a flash fill. What you will do? Correct. What you will do? You are going to type just over here Paridhi. Okay. And then finally just drag it down or selection Control plus E. Your job is done. This was a practice in 2016 and upper version, that is Office 365 or Microsoft 365. Guy, you must wondering why I changed the name Microsoft 365. Yes, Microsoft changed the name. That was the latest. Okay, but it is just Office 365, but Microsoft changes the name. Okay. Now suppose I don't want to use this feature. I am using an older version 2003 and 2007 or maybe the 2010. Then how I am going to use this? Definitely you have an option called as find and replace. That's a really very good options. If I use this, for example, let me find the length of my text. That is the text length is 14. What I'm going to do it, I'm going to use the feature called as a find. What do you want to find? I want to find the space. Where do you want to find it? Within the this cell that is known as a Paridhi Tiwari. Okay, comma, the first incidence of a space I required. So it give me the 8 options. It give me the 8 options. Okay, so this 8 digit is what? Like for example, when you count the entire Paridhi Tiwari, the total letter comes as a 14. And if I select, see from the space is there in the 8th location. What I will do, I am going to use the left features, that is known as a left. I want to find the left from here. How many letter? For example, 8 digits. Now my job is done, guys. I repeat, my job is done. Do you want any kind of automation? Yes, sir. Suppose, for example, I'm dragging this. I'm dragging this. Now when I drag it, so I got all the answers. I got all the answers, but lot of things to be used. The formula, I need to use the length formula, then again find the formula, and then left formula. Now these also are the dependent. If you are looking for the dynamic, I repeat, if you are looking for the dynamic, then what I am going to do it, just to copy this, I went to this, instead of D2, I remove this and paste it over here. Now my formula becomes a dynamic. Guys, I don't need these two features. Even though if I remove this, still it works perfectly. I repeat, still it works perfectly. There is nothing is required. Okay, so this is a trend which people use to practice it. Guys, we have a flash fill, we have a find, replace, and then we use the left options, blah blah options, we use it now. What is new trick I am going to introduce? For example, you require the first name. You require the first name over here. Correct. Same data I just copied. I repeat, I just copy and paste it over here. You require a first name into this and you require a last name into this. What you are going to do it? Just select the data and go to the find and replace. There is a something called as wildcard. You must have heard about it, wildcard. What does it do? Let's see. If I put for example as a asterisk and then space and then I say replace all. When I say replace all, can you see what happened to my text? All the first data, all the first name is getting deleted. Let me do it once again. Uh, Control F, that is a shortcut key. I am going to use only the first name. This is not a last name, first name. So what you are supposed to use it, you will use as a space and then asterisk. I repeat, space and asterisk, replace with nothing, replace all. So I got the first name. Similar way, let me come back to this and again find replace. Now little trick, I am going to change it now. Before that, what we did is space and asterisk. Now asterisk and then space and to replace all. Your job is done, guys. And this works with any version. I repeat, this works with any version of a software, either 2003, 2007, 13 or 16 or maybe the upper versions. So I hope guys you found this is one of the interactive trick and you can apply instead of flash fill. If the flash fill is not there, if you are working with a lower version, so this is one of the best trick. So I hope you have enjoyed the sessions. Till then, have a goodbye.